Yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, the co-founder of Rondo Technology Company. Yeah, I welcome subscribers to my new episode. So last 2 days I made a video about Wode accounts, and a lot of people, let me say, a lot of Wode accounts attacked me on my WhatsApp, YouTube, my Gmail, phone calls, and things. But I know right now a lot of people too are praising me right now for the information I gave it out. Yeah. So at times, like, we all love what people do to the thing, but when, like, Africans, we don't like saying the truth. When you try to say the truth, people will classify you to be jealous or to be enemy of someone. But the thing is, we all do content for entertainment purpose, something like that. Yeah. So people were posting videos that Woody Myers' account has been hacked, and I said Woody Myers' account is not hacked. I said my opinion, so there's no need for you to attack me on my opinion. I just said my opinion. So a lot of people came at me attacking me that, like, I'm a bad person, I'm an enemy of Udimaya. Like I said, hide instead of hiding. Sort of thing, Charlie. You have to listen to the information I'm giving it out. Don't listen to the mistakes I'm making in my videos. That's my videos. I can choose to make a mistakes in my videos. That's me. A lot of people were bashing me that instead of hiding, I said hide. What the is that? What is that? So that's it. So a lot of people attacked me last 2 days. The with my fans who attacked me last 2 days are now praising me because with my account is back. It's back, and what I said is now manifesting because I told you that within 3 days the account will be back, and right now within 3 days the account is back. So all the people who insulted me, who were talking trash, rubbish to me, the same thing applies to you.